Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. You've probably heard of whey protein if you're into fitness or just looking to level up your nutrition. But what is it exactly? Is that right for you? And why should you consider adding it to your routine? Today, we're diving deep into all things whey protein. So, let's get into it. What is it? Whey is a type of protein found in milk that contains all the essential amino acids needed for muscle growth and repair. Dairy products, particularly milk, are the best whole food sources of whey protein. Whey protein also can be extracted from milk during the cheese-making process and concentrated into a powder. Whey protein powders can be sold as conventional foods or as dietary supplements, and are often added to other food and supplement products, including gels, powders, sports or energy bars, and ready-to-drink shakes. How effective is it? Whey protein isn't just about building muscle, it's about maximizing your athletic performance. Research shows that regularly consuming whey protein while exercising can help increase muscle strength and improve your performance. But here's the catch. To see these benefits, you've got to stay consistent with both your workouts and your protein intake. While whey protein works wonders for muscle growth, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. For example, if you're dealing with chronic lung diseases like COPD, whey protein doesn't seem to help improve symptoms or breathing difficulties. Similarly, while whey protein is great for building muscle, it doesn't appear to help with weak or brittle bones, like those seen in osteoporosis, even if taken regularly over a couple of years. There is interest in using whey protein for a number of other purposes, but there isn't enough reliable information to say whether it might be helpful. Is it safe? When taken by mouth, whey protein is likely safe for most adults when taken appropriately. High doses can cause some side effects, such as increased bowel movements, acne, nausea, thirst, bloating, reduced appetite, tiredness, and headache. Special precautions and warnings. Pregnancy and breastfeeding. There isn't enough reliable information to know if whey protein is safe to use when pregnant or breastfeeding. Stay on the safe side and avoid use. Children. Whey protein is likely safe for children when used in amounts commonly found in food or when included in infant formulas. Keep in mind, though, that whey comes from cow's milk, so if you have a milk allergy, you should avoid whey protein products. In the case of whey protein supplements, especially those marketed for performance enhancement, you also need to watch out for other ingredients that you might not want or need in your diet. Whey protein supplements also can contain other ingredients that might interact with certain medications, so talk to your doctor before taking them. Are there interactions with medications? Levodopa. Whey protein might decrease how much levodopa the body absorbs. This might decrease the effects of levodopa. Do not take whey protein and levodopa at the same time. Antibiotics. Quinolone antibiotics and tetracycline antibiotics. Whey protein might decrease how well some antibiotics work. To avoid this interaction, take antibiotics at least 2 hours before or 4 to 6 hours after whey protein. Bisphosphonates. Whey protein can decrease the effects of bisphosphates. To avoid this interaction, take bisphosphonates at least 30 minutes before whey or, preferably, at a different time of day. When can I use whey protein? Whey protein products are acceptable when high-quality protein foods, animal or plant-based, are unavailable or not practical or convenient, such as in theater. Overall, it's better to get your protein from whole foods, such as lean meats, fish, low-fat dairy products, legumes, nuts, and seeds, throughout the day at meals and snacks. Eating a variety of protein foods provides you with all of the EAA, plus essential nutrients such as vitamins and minerals that are important for performance and recovery. In general, service members consume enough protein through food sources alone and do not need protein supplements. How much whey protein should I take? If food sources of protein are not available, whey protein products can help you meet your overall protein needs, but there are no official whey protein recommendations. Keep in mind that most whey protein powders provide 20 to 30 grams of protein per serving or scoop, which is the same amount of protein in about 3 to 4 oz of meat, poultry, or fish. Going beyond the protein recommendations will not provide any additional benefits to your performance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights on nutrition and wellness. And I'll see you in the next video.